Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box. Look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, documentary, device in the green color. Okay. And other completion, adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Now talk about device. Triple camera on the back side. On the front side 6.7-inch display. Power button and volume buttons on this side. Upside slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card on this side. Upside speaker and headphones jack. Downside Type-C port and main speaker. Turn on device. Open settings and look Android version. We have MIUI Global 14.0.4, Android 13. Okay, look into the benchmark results. We have CPU Helio J99, this by MediaTek, and GPU Mali G57. Okay, onto the benchmark results. And look Geekbench 6 results. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level only. Okay. And now look camera. Camera we have 200 megapixels plus 8 plus 2 triple camera. Video we have recording HD 60 fps. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.